Hi, in this video we are going to calculate the square of each element in an array list. Now we create one in stream numbers arrays and second is I want to another list for maintain a result. Numbers map using map dot collect. Here we need to pass three parameter: array list add element and array list add all. Three parameter we need to pass here, and we iterate result. I want to add SOP square number. I run this program and checking out. Now we can see that 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. So each element square is we can maintain in another list. So this way we can implement in Java 8.